Hey guys, my name is Victor Agina from Afia Online, and if you're looking for a business that can pay you between 3,000 naira to 10,000 naira or more every single day, then you need to join my dropshipping business. As a matter of fact, the shoe business is one business that can help you make 6 figures, maybe even 7 figures for those people who are very interested, who are serious in doing this business. And the good thing is that you don't need all the money in the world to get started. You don't even need a shop. You don't need to stock goods. You just need to do one simple thing, and in 3 steps. Step number 1, you join the dropshipping group. I'll provide the link for you to join in the ads. Step number 2, keep your eyes on the shoes that I post. I usually post like high quality shoes. And the good thing about this thing is the shoes that I post, you can add 4,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 6,000 naira, 7,000 naira profit. Some people even add up to 10,000 naira profit for the high quality shoes, because you're getting them for a ridiculous amount. Not because you're substandard, but because you are getting it from the direct source. Now, step number 3. You simply repost those pictures that I'm going to send to you in the group. You post them on your WhatsApp, post them on your Instagram, your Facebook, or wherever you find space to post these things online. Make sure you add your profit, because if you don't add your profit, you're not a business person. You have to add your profit and it's delivery fee. Now, when your customer pays you, it's very simple. You pay me, I'll package the items and send it straight to your customer. Don't worry, I don't have any business with your customer. I won't call your customer. My job is just to take the orders, package it, and label it, or send delivery guys to deliver to your customers. Now you just sit down there and take the profit while I do all the work for you. Now, if you take this business seriously, if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student, if you are a young girl or a young guy, you don't have any work or any job, or maybe your business is not, your work is not paying you as much money as you want, you can do this thing. Alright, and I'm here to help you. So without wasting much of your time, just go down to the bottom of this video. There's a link there which will lead you straight to my WhatsApp group. Not even a group, it's a community. When you join, nobody's going to spam you, nobody's going to private chat you to tell you any other, try to sell you any other business apart from what I'm selling. You're just going to see my number, just my number as the admin. Your number is protected, so nobody is spamming you. We're over 500 people right now. So I would like you to click on the link below right now. I'm only taking just 50 more people, and after that I will make that link invalid. So do the right thing right now if you're interested in making a lot of money in 2023 by simply reposting shoes, especially for the mothers, the nursing mothers, the mothers who don't have a work or business, who are always in the house. You need your own money. This is for you. Alright, do the right thing. I'll see you on the inside.